Hey everyone! Ever thought about coding Python on your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to install Python on Android using Termux, set up a proper environment, and build your first Flask web server. Let's dive in. Step 1. Install Termux and update packages. First, we need Termux. Termux is an Android app that provides a Linux terminal environment. It allows you to run powerful tools like Python, Git, and even web servers directly on your phone. Download Termux from the Play Store or F-Droid. Once installed, open it and give it access to your phone's storage by running Termux Setup Storage. This allows Termux to save files or access your downloads. Next, let's update the system. Run pkg update pkg upgrade BDIE. This updates the package list and ensures everything is up to date. Now, to install Python, simply type pkg install python.reachable.eu. This downloads and installs Python on your device. Once the installation finishes, check if it's working. Python version. This will show the installed version of Python. If you see a version number, congratulations. Python is installed and ready. Step 2. Test Python with the interactive mode. Now, let's explore Python's interactive mode. Type Python. You'll see the Python prompt. This is where you can execute Python commands immediately and see their results. Let's try a few things. 1. We can print a message. Simply type print hello world. Perform some calculations. Try 5, 3, 10, 2. Work with a list. My underscore list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print sum my list. As you can see, Python's interactive mode is great for testing ideas or learning Python basics. When you're done, type exit to leave the interactive mode. Step 3. Install pip and set up a virtual environment. Let's take things up a notch by installing pip and setting up a virtual environment. Upgrade pip first. To ensure it's up to date, type pip install upgrade pip. Next, install the virtual environment package. Enter pip install virtual env. Virtual environments are essential when working on Python projects. They let you install packages for one project without affecting others. Let's create one. Make a project folder. Enter mkey dir flask underscore project, then cd flask underscore project. Now let's create the virtual environment. Enter virtual env venv. To activate it, type source venv/bin/activate. You'll see venv appear at the start of your terminal prompt. This indicates that the virtual environment is active. Step 4. Create a Flask project. Flask is a lightweight web framework that's perfect for small projects or learning web development. Let's install it in our virtual environment. To install Flask, enter this command, pip install Flask. Now, create a file called app.py, nanoapp.py. In this file, add the following code. Save the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and hit Enter. Finally, to run your server, type python app.py. Your Flask server is now running. Open your phone's browser and go to http:/127.0.0.1 5000 or copy the URL below. You'll see Hello Flask on the screen. This confirms your first Flask server is live. And that's a wrap. You've successfully installed Python, set up a virtual environment, and built a working Flask server, all on your Android phone using Termux. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Termux Web for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments what other Python or Termux projects you'd like to see. Your feedback means a lot and helps me improve my content. If you'd like to support the channel, consider donating through PayPal at paypal.me/gapconwriter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.